Hello and welcome to Pure Listening. I'm happy to have you here. Today we'll talk about daily routines. Before we start today's episode, I want to let you know that I have prepared a document with the words we will use and their meanings. You can download it from the description for free. Let's get started and enjoy learning together.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and sit up in my bed. Sometimes I feel a little tired, so I take a deep breath before I stand up. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully because I want them to stay clean and healthy. Then I wash my face with warm water. This helps me wake up and feel fresh. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. I usually feel hungry in the morning, so I make my breakfast. I often cook eggs, or sometimes I make toast with a little butter. I also drink tea or coffee to give me more energy for the day. While I eat, I like to sit at the table and think about my plans for the day. When I finish eating, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes for work, and then I put everything I need in my bag: my books, my notebook, my pens, and sometimes my laptop. After I am ready, I put on my shoes and go outside. I work as an English teacher at a school, so every morning I walk to the school or take a bus if I'm a little late. When I arrive at school, I greet the other teachers and say good morning to my students. This is the start of my workday. In the afternoon, I spend most of my time teaching English. I teach students of different ages. Some students are very young and some are older. I help them learn new words, practice speaking, and understand simple stories. I enjoy my work because I like helping people learn English, just like you. After my classes, I usually have a short break. During the break, I drink water or eat a small snack, like fruit or a sandwich. Sometimes I talk with my coworkers about school or about our day. After the break, I sit at my desk and prepare lessons for the next day. I write activities, choose reading texts, and think about exercises my students will enjoy. Sometimes I also grade homework or check tests. When school finishes, usually in the afternoon, I pack my things and leave the school. On my way home, I sometimes stop at a small store to buy bread, milk, or vegetables. Other days, I walk straight home because I am tired from teaching. When I arrive home, I change into comfortable clothes, relax. Sometimes I sit on the couch and watch a simple TV show. Other times I listen to music or read a short book. This helps me rest my mind. Later, I go to the kitchen to make dinner. I like to cook simple meals at night, like rice with vegetables, pasta, or chicken. After I finish eating dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen so it looks nice for the next day. After dinner, I sometimes take a short walk outside to get fresh air. If I stay home, I might talk to a friend on the phone or send messages to my family. Sometimes I prepare my clothes for the next morning so I don't have to think about it later. Before bed, I go to the bathroom again to brush my teeth. Then I turn off the lights in my room and get into bed. I usually go to sleep around 10 p.m. so I can rest well and feel good the next day. That is my daily routine. I hope you enjoyed learning about it. Don't forget to check the document in the description to get the words and the text for free.